Hey everybody, we've got to talk about this stock CWD, a stock which is up today by over 300%. We are asking in this video what comes next, what can we expect from this particular stock. If you enjoy videos like this, please do make sure to leave a like on it and subscribe. But as usual, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is certainly not financial advice. Now, 5-day chart on this one really puts everything into perspective. You know, we've seen this one obviously rocket up today with a little bit of a decline towards the end of the day. A lot of people are going to be asking, what happens next? We're seeing this penny stock have a massive rise. Again, we are seeing a Chainlink strategy. You guys will probably know this. But even so, the question then becomes, well, where do we go from here? Again, we can have a look at those details in a bit more detail. I recommend that you kind of do this by yourself, but if you want a little bit of the latest on this one, we are seeing Caliber Bros at the time of this article being written jump into $13 as the company said it has completed its initial purchase of Chainlink tokens. The stock rose as high as $48 per share early in the session and is now up 7% in the past 12 months. A diversified real estate and digital asset management platform said that it intends to fund Chainlink acquisitions based through its existing equity line of credit, cash reserves, and through issuance of equity-based securities. So that's just a little bit of a read of it, right? But the question then becomes, well, where do we go from here and what do we expect? And fundamentally, what are my opinions? Well, of course, we've got to bring this one up on the charts. I don't know why my charts never seem to want to hold any of the stocks that I am speaking on. But yeah, so when we see this one, you can clearly see, as mentioned, shares went way higher than this today. Now we are coming back down. Would I be buying this stock right now? Honestly, guys, of course not, right? You guys may say, oh, well, there's more upside potential, and all of that sort of stuff may be true. Perhaps this is a stock that we are going to be looking at in a lot more detail, but I'm going to keep this one absolutely simple, right? I give no nonsense updates on this channel. I share my opinions to the truest of what they are. And again, this is not advice. I am not a financial advisor, but I would not touch this stock, not at all. Could it go up more tomorrow? Yes. Is there a possibility of that? Yes. Could it go down drastically tomorrow? Yes. And a lot of people are going to say, well, you're saying it could go either way. That's true. At this point, it really is more of a gamble than not. I'm not saying that this will not help us to find a new level. Perhaps the stock will go to sitting at $9. Perhaps the stock will go to sitting at $18 or even $4, anywhere, right? Absolutely anywhere on this chart. But I'll tell you one thing for sure. I would never buy a stock that's up 300% in a day, right? Do I think the potential of that happening again is there? Yes. But would I ask the questions like, is now the best time to buy? Yes. Have we seen the bottom of this drop? I don't think we have, right? I think there's more to come potentially to the downside. And perhaps I'll give you another update on this one tomorrow, but I think at the moment, a lot of people are going to see this as an interesting opportunity. But again, this is a stock that's already up 300%, 16% down in the after hours. I think if there is an opportunity for this one, I think if this one does still have momentum going into it into the next couple of weeks and days, yeah, you could make an argument that now is a potentially interesting, quite risky point to buy. I will agree with that argument, but would I personally buy here? Well, I personally wouldn't, right? That's just my opinion. Again, as I say, not advice, but if you do enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. More than happy to hear your opinions down in the comment section, so please do provide me with those. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.